another episode where we fact check viral videos and messages for you so that you can stay better informed. Now, first up is this report on a news media website that the government has reportedly endorsed or launched a video conferencing app called Namaste. Now, this is absolutely false. The government has done no such thing. In fact, a week ago, the Ministry of Home Affairs had cautioned against the use of Zoom video conferencing app because it had detected certain security flaws on that application that makes our conversations public and also susceptible to intruders. A post going viral on social media claims that Raghuram Rajan had taken part in a webinar where he had given a list of takeaways wherein he had apparently said that India would escape the worst of the coronavirus pandemic, and he had suggested steps that should be taken for businesses to plan for a post-COVID-19 future. Raghuram Rajan himself, the former RBI governor, has dismissed the post. He said he did not take part in any such webinar, nor are the takeaways in that post, nor can they be attributed to him. There's another fake message doing the rounds that says that railway employees' salaries will be cut. Now, this is similar to another fake news that we busted last time around, wherein it was being circulated that the pensions of government employees will be put on hold, or rather the pensions will be slashed by 30%. All of this is fake news. No such decision has been taken by the government. However, a union cabinet meeting has decided, or rather the proposal to hike the dearness allowance of government employees for now may be put on hold for this year as India tries to rake in all of its resources to be able to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, another video shows a vendor licking bread packets and then sealing them. Now, this video is again false and misleading. It was doing a reverse image search. We have found that this video was taken back in September 2019, and the source of this video is from Philippines. And this man in the video who's seen licking bread packets was doing so on stock that was sent for disposal by this bread making company. So this video has absolutely no link, at least to the coronavirus crisis, and it has no link to India as well. There are reports that the Muslim Gujjars of Hoshiarpur were denied entry into Una district in Himachal Pradesh to sell milk. Now, the Una district magistrate has denied such claims. However, he did mention that Una being under curfew, the sale and purchase of any essential items can be done between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. daily. And finally, a report is doing the rounds that says that the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation or the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has apparently asked people in Mumbai to boil water before drinking it for the next 7 days. It did ask, but it asked people to do this 2 years ago. So this report has no connection with the current coronavirus crisis we are facing. Boiling water does kill germs, but drinking boiled water may be good for your health, but there is no such recommendation made by any municipal corporation or any health body. And also, there is a false claim going around that suggests that drinking hot water can kill the virus. Now, that is absolutely false. That was all on this episode. Let us know if you come across any information that you want us to probe into in the comment space below.